everyone, it's Esther here. Welcome to my channel, and today I am here to simplify another technology tool for you. Guess what I'm bringing to the table today? Alright, today I want to show you how you can brand your Google Doc, how you can watermark it. Many people, when they need to watermark their documents, they use a third-party app, right? They don't know that they can actually watermark their document right inside Google Docs. So that is what I am showing you today. This is the document I want to watermark. I am done editing this document. But please note that there is no stipulated time to including watermark in your document. It could be at the beginning of your work, or while you're working on it, or when you're done editing. I am done editing now. I want to insert. But you can insert at any time. I go to insert, next to view, I click on it, and you're gonna see a list of options. You can see watermark. It's a new feature. Many people don't know about it. That's why they download their document first and upload it to another software to include watermark. You don't need to do that. Just click on watermark, and to the right it will show you your watermark settings. I would click on select image. You can select an image from your Google Drive, photos, that's your Google Photos, Google Image search, that's online search, URL, camera, or upload. That upload is uploading directly from your local computer if you do not have the image on your drive. But I do have the image I want to use on my drive. I go to my drive and see. That's the image I want to use. I click on that and I click insert. It's gonna insert my image to both pages because my document it's a 2-page document. It has applied the watermark to the whole document, right? So now here you can increase the scale of the watermark. Do you want it smaller or bigger? Say 50%. That's quite small, so I'm going to increase it a bit to 150 if it's not too big for you, but I like this. This is fantastic for me. Now, do you want it faded or you want it bold? Of course, I think it's better to be faded like this, but if you want it bold, you click that and that is your watermark. That is quite bold, but I'm gonna stick to faded. If you want to remove your watermark, you go down and you see remove watermark. It's like the bean icon is there. You click on that and it's gonna remove your watermark, but I do not want to remove my watermark. I'm just gonna click done, and that's it. My watermark is applied to my document. I can continue editing my documents. I can insert more pages, and see, that's a new page that I just inserted. I have a new page now and my watermark has been applied to it. You can download your documents like the normal way. You go to file and you download, and it's going to be watermarked. If you want to share, you can share, and the watermark is still going to be there. Now I actually want to download my document as a PDF, so we go to file and I download as PDF. Let's see what we're gonna get. Here is my PDF document, watermark. I love the way it is. Single page, that is it. Well watermarked, I love it, and you should also try out this feature. That's it on watermarking and branding your document. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if this video was helpful to you in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new tutorials. Merci, au revoir.